Hi and welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. You might recognize me, I'm John. You might recognize me from the HSK grammar videos. So today I just want to make a quick announcement about a free course that we just created. This is a course that's hosted by CCtalk over the WeChat mini program called DAKA, which translates to DAKA Duck or Check-in Duck. It's a mini program that allows you to basically record your own voice and submit to our system, and we can review it. So this free course basically involves this. It shows you a drama segment, a segment from the drama Untamed, a drama from 2019. And you will listen to the line, and we'll give you pronunciation tips on that line, and we'll also go over the vocabulary for that line. You will then practice the line, and then you will record your voice and submit it to our system. And then we will review it in the back end and give you comments. This is a free lesson. It has 3 segments, so it will go over 3 segments in the drama, and you will practice those 3 segments. You will quickly discover any pronunciation problems you may have, or any things like tones that you need to work on that you might not have been aware of before. So I highly recommend that you try out this free course. This course is again over the mini program DAKA. The access link is below, and you can also scan this WeChat QR code with WeChat if you have it. Then you can access this course. Again, this is a new free course from Chinese Zero to Hero, and I'll see you in the course, and I'll look forward to see all of your recordings. Bye for now.